Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to change the SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find fingerprint, face and security. Now let's scroll until you'll find the option SIM card lock, so just scroll to the very bottom of the list and tap on the SIM card lock. Here we have to tap on change SIM pin, and as you can see right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and right now we can enter the new one. So let's enter it, tap on OK, and here we have to re-enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, after tapping on OK, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change the SIM pin in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.